Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we had started with exercise 1.1 and question number 1, 3 sums were given to you to solve. Now before going to the next sums, we will see something which is there in the solved example. I'll explain you that. First is show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. इसका मतलब है कि आपको प्रूव करना है कि एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर उसको हम 2q के फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं और कोई भी ऑड इंटीजर होगा आई कैन राइट इट इन द फॉर्म 2q plus 1. Now let a be any positive integer and we'll take the value of b as 2. Then by Euclid algorithm we can write a is equal to 2q plus r where q must be greater than or equal to 0 और r का वैल्यूज क्या होगा अभी between 0 to 2. We know that r lies between 0 to 2. That means r can be 0 or r can be 1. And we know that when any number is divided by 2, the remainder is either 0 or it will be 1. So now putting this value of r, we get a is equal to 2q or a is equal to 2q plus 1. Now a is equal to 2q मतलब क्या हो गया? वो एक इवन नंबर है बिकॉज इट इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2. इट इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ 2, मल्टीपल ऑफ 2. एंड वॉट और अगर 2q एक इवन नंबर है तो एनी इवन नंबर इफ यू एड 1 व्हाट डज इट बिकम ऑड नंबर. सो इफ a इज इक्वल टू 2q देन इट इज इवन नंबर एंड इफ a इज इक्वल टू 2q plus 1 देन इट इज ऑड नंबर. Okay, simple example. Next one, again solved example. Show that any positive odd number is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 where q is some integer. यहाँ पे तुमको प्रूव करना है कि कोई भी पॉजिटिव ऑड नंबर ले लो तो उसको तुम 4q plus 1 या 4q plus 3 के फॉर्म में you can show it. Now let a be the positive integer. Now we will apply the Euclid's algorithm with a and we'll take b as 4. So a can be written as bq plus r. That means a is equal to 4q plus r. And this r will take the values between 0 to 4. So r will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. So क्या क्या मिलेगा हमें? a is equal to 4q plus 0, a is equal to 4q plus 1, a is equal to 4q plus 2 and a is equal to 4q plus 3. लेकिन हमने यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? a is odd number. अभी ये a is equal to 4q कट जाएगा because it is even. देन 4q plus 2 भी कट जाएगा बिकॉज ये भी एक इवन नंबर होगा. सो यू गेट ओनली टू थिंग्स दैट इज 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. So a can take either the value 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So this we have proved that any positive odd integer can be expressed as 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. Hope you must have understood this. So copy down the image what I am going to post in the WhatsApp.